Alright, starting out part 2. I had go put socks on. Um, we're gonna start off where we left off. We're gonna get some green tape out now, which is the ground wire. Could be the white wire. White wire could be ground. Green wire could be live wire. Who knows? No one will ever know. As long as the wires get repaired, that's all I care about. Then I'll probably use yellow wire for caution. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. Make sure that I can have it set up the way it is. I've learned this stuff with my family. Alright, we're gonna squeeze this off like that. I'm gonna pull some green wire out. Again, I know it looks like I'm using too much, but I just want to be on the safe side. Sue me. Don't sue me. I was being literate or literal. This is a carpet cleaner, and I know carpet cleaners have a ton of power in them. And I'd rather not get electrocuted or shocked or anyone else getting hurt in the matter. I can't really replace this carpet cleaner because we don't have the money to replace it with. This carpet cleaner is probably worth about $1,100. It's a I don't know what it is. All I know that it's expensive. I've had it only for about a year and a half. It was $1,500 when we got it. It was actually a gift from my dad. Um, but yeah, I put too much on, but who cares? As long as the wires are not exposed, like right now. We don't want any exposed wires at all. That's a no-no. That's very bad. Unfortunately, I don't have a heat gun to wrap this up at all. So, I am using my Discord to record all these videos because I don't have a capture card very well. I don't know. I'm not used to the whole recording, live streaming, or whatever. Make sure white wire's not damaged or any wires severed or any wires exposed. I don't see any wires exposed. Um, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up with the yellow wiring. Hopefully it starts up later. The yellow wire I will be putting a lot on. I'll make sure this is actually tight. Don't want it being loose. If it doesn't work, then I'll have no choice but to just throw it away. Unfortunately, it's the only carpet cleaner that we got that actually cleans our carpets. When you have a pit bull, they like to leave a mess, a lot of it, and I do have to clean the carpets today. So I like to keep our apartment well maintained. We're in the process of still unpacking because we just moved here about a couple weeks ago. Hopefully everything works out. This is like our cheapest place to live for right now because here in the state of Alaska, I'm from Alaska, it's very expensive to live up here. Everyone says it's not. Don't listen to other people. I'm telling you this now. Uh, Everything's like taxes are included into everything in some places. The town that we're living in, it's Kenai, or as in everyone calls it, Key Beach. It's between Soldotna and Kenai, Alaska. It's a small, tiny town. And everything, taxes up here, I say like if you get something that's $26 at the store, it's an extra $2 30 something cents. You're actually spending from $26 to $28. It's like a it's really expensive here. We're hoping that taxes will get lowered or not pay taxes at all. There's certain places in the state of Alaska that don't pay taxes. Um, Rent up here is crazy. We just got out of a one bedroom. Right, it wasn't a one bedroom. It was a studio apartment, and it was $1,340 per month. And me and my fiance couldn't handle that. Uh, it was going over our budget line, and hours up here in Alaska get cut during the wintertime because Alaska is isolated, and we don't get very many customers during the winters. And just to let you know, winters are usually from October, sometimes beginning of October, and sometimes in the beginning of November. Our winters usually last longer than most people think. Uh, and if you're all wondering if it cancels school because of snow, no, it doesn't because it snows about winter stays up for about 6, 7 months total. It melts in spring. Pretty much it melts. All of it would be gone by mid-June. That's how much snow we get. But this year we've been having some wacky weather. It's been raining in the middle of January, which is weird. Everyone says global warming. I don't really believe in global warming that much. I just think of the planet is healing itself, or the solar flares from the stars, giving off corona, whatever, blah blah blah. I'm not a very good earthy science type person. Get me into space stuff. Oh my god, I love space stuff. Astronomy, astrophysics, uh, like the SpaceX program. I like the SpaceX program. Uh, I think Elon Musk is actually doing a really good job. Um, I hope he keeps up the good work. He's planning to do that live on Mars or live on the moon thing. I hope that works out for him. Um, he's helping us save a ton of money. A lot of people think he's not, but he is. Uh, there's a ton of fraud that's been going around. There's a lot of corrupt. Every state has it. Anchorage especially. Um, Anchorage is the worst right now due to homeless deposition and uh, housing, renting, jobs. All three of those things are very crucial right now to the state of Alaska. You got teenage people, people that are turning 18, graduating from high school. Some go to college up here in the state of Alaska, but can't afford a rent because some people say they need 3 years of rental history, even though that they haven't rented for the rest of their lives because they just graduated. Um, the town that I live in right now, they want only people living at apartment complexes for eh, about 6 months. So from October to June, and they kick everybody out so they can have the tourist people come in. It's really hard on people to live because after they kick them out, people stay homeless for another 6 months before the next winter, and it's really hard to get a place to stay. It's just chaos. What they need to do up here in the state of Alaska is add more housing because more people are coming to the state of Alaska from the lower 48. There are more children graduating high school, but not enough room to rent out to the people. There's no house. There's not a lot of houses in Soldotna, Kenai, K Beach, Kasilof, Nikiski. Um, there's just not a lot of housing over here at all. No, there's not even a lot of apartment complexes. Um, Life here in Alaska is very rough. A lot of people say it's not. It really is. Especially people with low income. Like me and my fiance, we have very low income. Um, we're trying to keep the place we're living at maintained and paid on time. We have to pay electric. Thank God we don't have to pay anything else. We do pay for our internet. Um, our car is breaking down a lot. I'm spending thousands upon thousands of dollars on the car. We have a 2003 CRV Honda, and I'm driving around with a broken axle. I got no choice but to go to work back and forth each day to go to work, make money, try to replace that axle. But it's hard up here in the state of Alaska, especially mechanic shops. They charge you about 700, 800 bucks for 2.5 hours of time to work on an axle. I can go on a car, take that axle, I can take the rotor off, the tire off, the chuckles off, take everything else off, and it only takes me about 45 minutes. And it'll probably take me about an hour just to remove that axle and put a new one in. And the mechanics up here says it takes them about 2.5 to 3 hours with 3 people when it's just me. So, enough of my bickering. I'm going to end this video. I hope you liked this video, and like, subscribe, leave some comments down below. If you don't like it, I'm fine with it. But here is my work. I have finally patched it up. It's all nice taped up. We're going to plug it in, see if it works. We're praying it works. If it doesn't, oh well. Oh, look at that. It's alive! Like and subscribe. Leave comments down below. Thank you for watching. If you're all wondering, I am Colton. I don't have like a lot of fancy YouTuber names like everyone else does. So enjoy. Bye.